I've decided to dismantle the battery because sellers denying the battery is faulty and saying they go through lots of tests before they send the battery, and the battery is up to the standards. So this should be 300 amp hour battery, but my tests showing that it's only 60 amp hours battery. So for dismantling the battery, we'll definitely need some tools. So I use this mallet. I find out a little screwdriver is the best tool. Definitely use some gloves and some glasses on your eyes. Previously I used this chisel, but they are quite thick and I find out the screwdriver is the best. So I'll get gloves on first, glasses just in case some little objects flying off it, and basically what I did, put the screwdriver in and basically just went all around the edge with the screwdriver, then around the edge of the back, then around the edge here, piece fly off, then along the it's actually good to get these handles off as well. So just get this handle off easily. Nothing complicated. Just get this out and throw this. Easy. So handles off. Basically the last edge here. And should get off. So let's see what's inside the battery. So wow, okay, this is surprise. So as you can see clearly, there is one set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pouch cells, and this negative and positive wire, oh, it's like rubber, very tiny. This multimeter, or sorry, voltmeter showing capacity is connected with 2 wires. Okay, so very easy setup. Okay, so this is the battery inside. Let's see and find out what will be the cell's capacity, so we can send the seller nice picture. So I have just get the camera to show you really what's inside. So we have a lot of space actually all around the cells, and the cells are connected here. This is the back of the cell. So firstly we will disconnect the cables from the lid and put back so we don't have any shortcuts through the dismantling process. So get the first screw off it. Okay, let's secure this cable first. Okay, so negative cables is isolated. Now positive. Okay, disconnected. So this is the positive cable, isolated as well. So, cables isolated. Get this lid off because actually this lid is now free to go. So I'll put it away and let's see what do we have here. So here is some foam glue. Over here is lots of foam. Couldn't believe that the battery is really so small, and actually they fill this space. All this space is filled with a few foam bits holding the battery in place with glue, and the box is almost empty. You can see it's just another piece, little one made of glue. So this is not as complicated as I thought, because lots of space around. Another foam and glue. Let's get all the glue off it. Let's get gloves and get the cells out. Let's put the battery like this. Maybe easier to actually peel it off. Finally, the double-sided tape is off. So let's get the battery cells out. They used the double-sided tape in the box, so you can see. So we have here some BMS. So there is this BMS. Need to find on internet. So let us see what's inside, how it looks like. Let's get this knife and cut through this tape. Okay, so let's do it on the other side as well. Well, hopefully I won't damage the cell cover. So this is all cut through and split. Let's get the tape off. So we can check the cell. So I removed the camera from the stand to get closer look on the cells. So let's find out any details about the cells. So there is some printout factory. So it says 60 ampere hour cell. What's the next one? Let's open it a bit more so we can read it. So it says 60 ampere hours as well. Let's check the other one. What's this? There is some paper in it. That's weird. Oh, there is a paper. The cells seems to be used. They are not clean. So let's open it again. Another one. Let's read it. 60 ampere hours. And this last one here on the one side. It says 60 ampere hours as well. So we got 8 cells rated 60 ampere hours. So there is 8 cells with 3.2 volts, which is 25.6 volts and 60 ampere hour capacity. So the testing device was not far. So this is dismantling of the battery and quite a big disappointment of the product.